Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of GATE Geology 2016 question paper, and I hope this is useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI and other exams. Welcome to set 1. Coming to the first question. The first continental red beds appeared in which eon? The choices are A. Proterozoic, B. Archean, C. Hadean, D. Phanerozoic. The correct option is A. Proterozoic. The first continental red beds have appeared in the Proterozoic eon, and this is around 2.31 billion years ago, and the appearance of these red beds is a sign of rapid increase in atmospheric oxygen levels. So A. Proterozoic is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following is a chronostratigraphic unit? A. Eon, B. Period, C. Era, D. System. The correct option is D. System. A geologic system is a chronostratigraphic unit of geologic time. It is also known as a geologic period or period. A system is a sequence of rock layers or strata that were laid down together during the same geological period. Systems are subdivisions of erathems and are further divided into stages and series. So, system is a chronostratigraphic unit. D is the correct option. Next question. Which one is a well-sorted sandstone containing up to 75% quartz with rock fragments in excess of feldspar? A. Arkose, B. Lithicarinite, C. Quartzarinite, D. Feldspathicarinite. The correct option is Lithicarinite. Lithicarinite is a type of the sandstone that contains large percentage of rock fragments, so roughly around 75% quartz, and it is also known as the lithicarinite or lithic sandstone. B. Lithicarinite is the correct option. Next question. International Geomagnetic Reference Field IGRF is used in processing regional magnetic data. A. To remove the secular variation of the geomagnetic field. B. To remove the diurnal variation of the geomagnetic field. C. To remove the latitudinal variation of the geomagnetic field. And D. To remove the terrain effect. So, IGRF, it is used in processing regional magnetic data to remove the latitudinal variation of the geomagnetic field. C is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following layers of the earth has the largest volume? A. Upper mantle, B. Lower mantle, C. Outer core, D. Inner core. The correct option is lower mantle. The lower mantle is the largest volume region of the earth, making up about 56% of the total volume. The lower mantle is located between 660 and 2900 kilometers below the earth's surface, between the transition zone and the outer core. So, B. Lower mantle is the correct option. Next question. S-wave shadow zone of the earth ranges from A. 103 degrees to 180, B. 103 degrees to 160 degrees, C. 103 to 153 degrees, D. 103 degrees to 143 degrees. S-wave shadow zone of the earth ranges from 103 degrees to 180 degrees. The S-wave shadow zone of the earth, it extends from 103 degrees away from the focus of an earthquake to the point directly opposite the focus on the earth's surface. So, this area covers a total of 154 degrees out of 360 of the earth's circumference. So, A. 103 to 180 is the correct option. Next question. According to Airy's model, gravity anomalies for fully isostatically compensated topography are characterized by A. Negative Boger anomaly and positive free air anomaly, B. Positive Boger anomaly and negative free air anomaly, C. Zero Boger anomaly and negative free air anomaly, D. Positive Boger anomaly and zero free air anomaly. So, according to Airy's model, so gravity anomalies are for fully isostatically compensated topography are characterized by negative Boger anomaly and positive free air anomaly. A is the correct option. Next question. Match the metals listed in group 1 with the localities of their deposits, which are listed in group 2. In group 1, like the metals like iron, zinc, gold are given, gold and chromium is given. In group 2, Boula, Gadag, Bellary, Agucha are given. So, the choices are A. A1, B2, C3, D4 and B. A4, B3, C1, D2 and C. A3, B1, C2, D4 and D. A3, B4, C2, D1 is given. So from this the correct option goes as D, because iron deposits, so these are very well seen in Ballari region, and zinc deposits are seen in Agucha, and gold deposits are seen in Gadag, and chromium deposits are seen in Bola. So these are the matching of the metals with the localities of their deposits. Next question. For a soil, liquidity index is equal to natural water content, and it is given X, and divided by plasticity index. So here what is X? So the options are A, shrinkage limit, B, plastic limit, C, liquid limit, and D, activity. So the correct option goes as B, plastic limit. So the plastic limit, or PL, it is the water content at which a fine grained soil can no longer be remolded without cracking. So it's a parameter. This is measured in the Atterberg limits test, which is used to differentiate the consistency of the soil particles. So the plastic limit is the water content at which a fine grained soil can no longer be remolded without cracking. So B, plastic limit, is the correct option. Next question. Match the following. In group 1, like hydraulic conductivity, permeability, viscosity, hydraulic head are the properties given. In group 2, Newton into second per meter square units, and meters per second, meter, and meter square are given. So the choices are A2, B4, C1, D3, and B, A1, B2, C4, and D3, C, A2, B4, C3, D1, and in D, A4, B2, C4, C1, D3 are given. So from this the correct option goes as B, like A1, B2, C4, D3. So that is hydraulic conductivity is represented by Newton into second per meter square, and permeability is represented as meters per second, and viscosity is denoted as meter square, and hydraulic head is denoted as meter. Next question. Which one of the following rocks has the highest magnetic susceptibility value? A, quartzite, B, limestone, C, gabbro, and D, shale. So the correct option is gabbro. Gabbro has the highest magnetic susceptibility, and the highest magnetic susceptibility of oxide rich gabbros are around 0.1 silica units. Next question. In which one of the following electromagnetic methods is the rate change of secondary field are recorded? A, very low frequency method, B, time domain electromagnetic method, C, magnetotelluric method, and D, Thuram method. The correct option is time domain electromagnetic method. In this the rate of change of secondary field is recorded. B is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following geophysical methods is most suitable for the exploration of horizontally stratified graphite deposit at a depth of 50 meters? A, gravity, B, magnetic, C, radiometric, and D, electromagnetic. So electromagnetic method is the most suitable for the exploration of a horizontally stratified graphite deposit at a depth of 50 meters. Next question. Which one of the following logging techniques is most suitable to detect a shale layer sandwiched between two sandstone layers? The options are A, neutron gamma, B, gamma gamma, C, natural gamma, and D, sonic. The correct option is gamma, that is natural gamma. Natural gamma or gamma logging, it's a method known as gamma ray logging and spectral gamma logging. This is used to detect background radiation in the subsurface. Next question. In Gondwana land reconstruction, much of the present west coast of India is placed adjacent to A, South America, B, Madagascar, C, Antarctica, D, Australia. So in Gondwana land reconstruction, much of the present west coast of India is placed adjacent to Madagascar island. Next question. Two vertically dipping limbs of a fold have perpendicular strikes. The fold can be classified as A, an antiformal fold, B, a synformal fold, C, a vertical fold, and D, a recumbent fold. So the correct option is a vertical fold. A vertical fold is a fold in the Earth's crust with a vertical axial plane and fold axis. Next question. Match the crystal forms listed in group 1 with their corresponding number of the faces which are listed in group 2. In group 1, the crystal forms like cube, tetrahedron, pinacoid, dodecahedron are given. In group 2, number of faces like 2, 4, 6 and 12 are given. So the options are A4, B2, C3, D1 and B, A3, B2, C1 and D4, C, A3, B4, C1, D2 and D, A1, B3, C4, D2 are given. So from this the correct option is B. Cube has 6 faces and tetrahedron has 4 faces and pinacoid has 2 faces and dodecahedron has 12 faces. So that's why B is the correct option. Next question. Match the rocks in group 1 with their essential mineral assemblages in group 2. So in group 1, granodiorite, husburgite, gabbro, diorite are given. In group 2, the mineral assemblages like hornblende plagioclase quartz, olivine orthopyroxene and clinopyroxene plagioclase are given. So from this the choices given are A, A2, B3, C4, D1, B, A3, B4, C1, D2, C, A4, B1, C3, D2 and D, A1, B3, C2, D4 are given. So from this the correct option is A, that is granodiorite. It has plagioclase quartz and husburgite. So this has olivine orthopyroxene. Husburgite is a type of igneous rock that forms in the Earth's upper mantle and it is made up mainly of olivine and orthopyroxene. And gabbro, it's represented by clinopyroxene plagioclase and diorite, it has a hornblende plagioclase. So that's why A is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following mineral assemblages is stable under eclogite facies condition? A, garnet, orthopyroxene, clinopyroxene, plagioclase. B, garnet, clinopyroxene, plagioclase and kyanite. C, garnet, orthopyroxene, hornblende, plagioclase and D, garnet, clinopyroxene, kyanite and quartz. So the mineral assemblages which is stable under eclogite facies condition is garnet, clinopyroxene, kyanite and quartz. Hope you have followed the important contents and the questions and see you in the next video. Hope you can subscribe to this channel and your suggestions are most welcome. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.